Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you see, we did this awesome Friday the 13th makeup. I know it's not Friday the 13th, but here we go. This is pretty Jason Vorhees. I am a horror freak, as some of you may know, some of you may not. And to start the makeup off, we took the Profusion Brows Palette and we are going to be doing one brow today. And then we took the concealer, I can't remember what concealer I used, and then we took the BHcosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and we're going in with this pretty blue. My brother actually gave me this idea to use kind of a blue teal look for, to symbolize Jason Voorhees' water that he drowned in. So, this is what the idea came from, and I loved how it turned out. It is, and then this green, you guys, oh, the green came out so pretty. Oh, I love green. Green is my favorite color. Then we went I can't remember who made that eyeliner. Oh well, but I'm using it for the outline of where I'm going to have the split be. Then we took the E.L.F primer, and we're going to be priming our face. Yeah, prime. Then we took the Bye Bye foundation by ITcosmetics, and of course, it's typical thing. This is how most of my makeups go. But you know what? I am me, and I'm going to stay me. Then we went with the Tartiest eyeliner by TARTECosmetics, and we're just going to be taking the felt tip and just going to town on the eyeliner. Next, we went at the Elmer's Purple Glue, and we are going to be gluing down our eyebrows. Oh! Next, we're going to be outlining Jason Voorhees' mask under the split. I'm going to be kind of giving the illusion like it's, my skin's either peeling off the mask or something like that. Yeah, something. Then we went in with the Bennye Aquacake, or Magic Aquacake paint. This is water activated paint. So this one's a little bit trickier to use, but it works. With the Magicake paint, the more layers that you put on, the more cakier it does get. But it also depends on how consistent the water is and the paint. So that's why I said that Magicake is a little bit trickier than just regular oil and face paint, but I love it. Here I am taking the Jaclyn Hill palette. I don't know why I didn't show it, but I'm going to be taking some of that darkish brownish color that she has in there, and I'm going to be darkening up the mask to make it look like it's had some wear and tear. And then I took the same eyeliner and I'm just putting some scratch marks. Then we went in with the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Wifey, and we're going to be making Jason's red marks on his mask. The hockey mask symbols. You guys do prepare for more of these kind of looks. Halloween is coming up, and Halloween is my holiday. technically every day is Halloween for me. My house is decorated Halloween yearly, but that's me, and I don't really care what anybody has to say about it. But yes, prepare for lots more of Halloween makeup. Now I'm taking that Bennye oil paint, hence I said oil. This is not Magicake, it's oil, and what this does is it looks more pigmented on top of dry paint. You don't want to mix two Magicakes together, otherwise it'll be like a watercolor where it'll just mix and smudge and all that stuff, and it just doesn't look pretty. So putting oil on top of Magicake works beautifully. And with what I'm doing here, I'm just basically making Jason Voorhees' little holes in his mask with it. But I'm so excited. Then I took that same oil paint from Bennye, and I'm just going to be making Jason Voorhees' straps. I thought this makeup came out awesome. Oh, I know I didn't get very many pictures of Jason's mask side. I don't understand why I just could not get a good picture. It either came out really blurry or it didn't want to focus. The lighting was really bad. It was just terrible. I could not figure it out. But I do have a new makeup setup coming up, so hopefully the lighting will be a lot better and my recording will be a lot better. I'm looking forward to it. Then I went in with the Spirit Liquid Latex. Do not, I repeat, do not use liquid latex if you have an allergy to latex. The thing about latex is it's very tricky. You can develop an allergy to it the more that you use it, which is very, very sad, needless to say. But I use liquid latex because it is my friend. I love it. I work with it. I just love it. I do use Scar Wax occasionally, but I just find liquid latex works so much better with me. But do not use it if you have an allergy to latex. Please don't use it. If you must use kind of any special effects thing, use Scar Wax. It's just wax and you just heat it up in the microwave. Do not use it right after you do that, otherwise it'll be scorching hot and it'll just burn the crap out of your face, and you don't want that. So just use Scar Wax and it works just fine, and you can use some hardening. It just hardens the wax. So, but please, just please don't use liquid latex. Just please. If you have an allergy, just don't use it. Now here I am taking the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to be darkening up kind of where the scars is to make it look like it has some like good flesh and blood and dryness blood and just really kind of decaying skin going on here. I wanted it to be a little bit darker than it actually did come out, but you know what? I dealt with it and it came out. I liked it. No matter what anybody says, I liked it. Next, we went in with the Midnight Stage Blood, and then we're going in with a Spirit's Scab Blood. Scab Blood is a different consistency than just regular Bennye Stage Blood. Stage Blood is runny and blah blah blah, but the Spirit, oh my God, Scab Blood, it's what would you call it? Jelly. It's almost jelly-like, so it looks like it's like dry and correlated blood. Oh, I love it though. Came out awesome. Then we took the Jeffree Star Wifey lipstick again. We're just going to be putting lipstick on now. Lipstick. Yeah. Oh, look at it, you guys. Oh, yes. Oh, I'm so happy with it. Oh my God, I'm happy with it. And this is the final look for this makeup. Oh my god, I am so happy with this. This is actually a collab that I did with one of my best friends, Shayna. I love you, girl. If you're watching this, I really hope you are. But if you like this video, leave me a like down below or subscribe, whatever you guys want to do. If you want to hit the little notification bell, it'll notify you when I post a video. But yes, expect a lot more Halloween makeup coming up. I wish I could do Halloween makeup all the time, but then people would just be like, why are you doing that, Sarah? Don't do that. It's not Halloween now. It's Valentine's Day. Do Valentine's Day makeup. So this is why I'm so excited for Halloween. I love Halloween. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. I will see you guys in my next video.